So I'm going to show you how to install Google Keyboard on your Galaxy A27. So if you don't want to use the default Samsung keyboard and you prefer to use Google Keyboard, all you have to do is go to the Google Play Store, search, and just type Google Keyboard or Gboard. It's also known as Gboard, so that's what you want to search for. You want to tap on it and then have it installed. Now mine is currently already installed, it's just not enabled. So I'm going to tap on enable and then it's going to give me the option to update. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. So tap on open once it's installed, and then you tap on enable in settings, and this is why you have to turn this keyboard on, Gboard. Okay, and that's basically it. Now at any time you can go into the settings. On the main settings page, go to general management and then go to keyboard, and then you can go to default keyboard and you can change the default keyboard to Gboard at any time, so that anytime you're using the keyboard it does use the Gboard. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.